What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here, bust up for sale. There's 3 I want to show off. Don't forget that if you have something you want to submit for lots of lots, bust up for sale, the picture videos, or any one of my videos in general, you can throw it in the video request form found in the description of any one of my videos. So the first one was submitted by Adam. It is a green Superior coach bus with a current bid of $1.50, and the description says that the bus does not run. Take a look at this absolutely beautiful Superior Supercruiser. Man, that looks great. Honestly, I am surprised that it is in this good of condition for it just sitting out in the middle of nowhere, it looks like. Even if it doesn't run, the body looks to be in excellent condition. We do have a cracked headlight, that's okay. The bumper appears to be bent, but I mean, like I said, otherwise it's in really good condition. You can also see that there is a sunshade, 2 air horns up top with 4 clearance lights, some paint peeling on the roof, which is okay. It looks like the bus is sunk down a little bit if you kind of take a look at that front tire. Again, the body looks to be overall in amazing shape. I don't know how long it's been sitting out there, but it does not look like it's been out there very long. Coming inside the bus, we can see that it was a skoolie. There's not a lot to point out in here. The only thing I'm curious about is that glass container to the left of the fridge. That seems like a very, very weird choice for storage for a skoolie. I'm wondering if it had a specific purpose or not, but there it is. Like I said, the current bid is $1.50, and it's still got 2 weeks left to go, so I'm interested to see what it actually sells for. I'm assuming it's going to stay relatively low just because it does not run, and it looks like it's been sunken down a little bit, like I said. But I've got to say, I think that is the best looking Supercruiser in terms of condition. Every other one I've seen is just nowhere near as good as that. Next up, we're taking a look at a 1979 bus with a current bid of just over $500. The description says 1979 Ford bus does not run, had an engine fire. So what you're looking at is a 1979 Ford Carpenter. You can see Airport Authority right on the front. There's a light bar up top. I assume these pictures would have been taken after the engine fire. The rest of the body looks to be in pretty good condition. Here's a better look at the front. Again, not too much to point out here. The back of the bus shows us that there is a wheelchair lift. You'll see why that's used here in a second. And there are a few lights overhead instead of a full light bar. The driver's area is pretty typical of a Carpenter Ford of that era. The only difference here is the amount of radios. If you take a look to the left of the control panel, that would have been used for different feeds within the airport. The build plate says that the body was completed September 7th, 1979. A look at the gauges and the odometer says that there's 77,000 miles on there. And the back of the bus, we can see that there were some seats removed. That paired with the wheelchair lift, I assume that's how they would transport bigger items around. And here's a look at the engine. Yeah. It's a cool bus, but unfortunately the engine fire just kind of ruins it. And the last bus we're going to take a look at is another 1979 Ford school bus listed for $6,500 in Fredericksburg, Virginia. The description says, completely restored B700, original Montgomery County, Maryland bus, rebuilt 374V engine, Allison 545 completely rebuilt 2 months ago. New LED clearance lights, steering wheel, mirrors, turn signals. All seats are there with no rips. New brake chambers, complete exhaust system. Wiper motors were done. And there was $25,000 invested over a 15-year period. Take a look at this absolutely beautiful, again, 1979 Carpenter Ford. Looking ahead on at this bus compared to the last one, this is just miles better. And you can see that this was 100% someone's project. There is so much effort put into this to keep it looking as good as it does. Here's the back of the bus. You can even see that there's a Carpenter logo at the bottom. Great touch. I genuinely don't know what to say because seeing a bus of this age in this good of condition is just hard to find. Here's a look from the driver's side at the hood. The tires appear to be in pretty good condition. Here's a shot of the hood open. Not much to say here. Here's a look towards the front of the bus. We have a classic manual door with the one in, one out. There's also a exterior light monitor on the left. Now, someone please correct me if I'm wrong. I very well could be. but I believe the lever on the right side behind the steering wheel would have been used for the warning lights. I wasn't able to find anything confirming this, but I feel like I've seen that before, and it makes sense that there would be the red pilot light right below that. But with there being a smaller lever in between that big lever and the hazard lights, I'm not exactly sure if that's what it could be. But if anyone does know for sure, please let me know in the comments. I'm curious about this. Now, there were a couple pictures of the bus before the restoration. I wasn't able to get those because the listing was taken down by the time I got to it. But even in these tiny little thumbnails, you can see just the amount of work that was put into this bus. $6,500, you're not going to see anything like that anytime soon. I hope an enthusiast bought that. And there you have it. Those are the 3 I wanted to show off. And as always, let me know in the comments below if you had the time, money, resources, whatever you would need to buy one of these buses and do whatever you want with it. Which one would it be? It's a really hard decision for me because I love that Supercruiser. Just the overall styling of this Supercruiser I just love those. But it's not a school bus, and that 1979 Carpenter, the second one, that restored one is just beautiful. Like I said, you're not going to see anything like that in the near future, and I'm jealous of whoever got that. Anyways, let me know your answer in the comments below, and don't forget that if you have something you want to submit for Lots of Lots, Bus Stuff for Sale, the picture videos, or any one of my videos in general, you can throw it in the video request form found in the description of any one of my videos. And with that, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I always do appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical white button that says you are now subscribed to Safety-Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or that second completely restored bus is just going to be destroyed, and we don't want that. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't let anything happen to you. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching.